Welcome to a new episode of Lucy's Arcane Vault. We are going to try to make a recipe. So today we are going to try to cook Irish potato cakes with avocado basil ranch.
Yummy.
Yeah, also known as Boxty. Have you ever made Boxty
Nope.
before?
No, I haven't.
So this is going to be interesting. So we have just about all the ingredients needed. We have cooked one potato that needs to be mashed, and we have grated another potato that has added some lemon to it.
That's raw.
Oh yes, this is raw.
You want to do this.
Bar strength.
Yes. Smash it good.
And there is nothing added into the potato
Yet.
Okay.
Is it done? No, it's not. Now what's next? Add everything.
Mix the grated potato with mashed potatoes.
No. There's lots of spices and other ingredients.
Okay, again.
There's salt and...
Add salt, pepper, milk, flax. Okay, so everything.
Yeah.
Salt. How much?
Half a teaspoon, if you ask me.
0.75. Okay, then pepper.
I want a spoon. Where do I put this?
Yeah.
How much?
Generous. 0.25 teaspoon pepper.
Okay. I think I'll add,
Oh my god.
because I love salt.
Salt for protection.
Yeah, that's
no,
true.
I'm going to just
Yeah.
eyeball it.
I think that's enough.
Pepper. Then milk. We have non-dairy oat milk.
Oh yes, it's a vegan recipe.
0.6 deciliters.
Flaxseed.
Flaxseed and nutritional yeast.
And oil.
Which are here. It was 1 teaspoon. No, 1 tablespoon each. One teaspoon of oil. Do you have the teaspoon?
Well, we don't need it.
Olive oil.
Lemon juice. No, it's
No, the lemon juice went
yeah.
into the other potato.
What's next? Mix the potatoes.
Mix the
mixture. Mix the potatoes. Mix the potato with another potato. Yeah, mix the potato with another potato. Oh yeah, you're supposed to taste it.
What about the flour? Oh, the flour comes next.
I can taste it if you don't want to taste it.
I don't.
Salty. Yeah, enough salty for me.
Now we add the grated potato that has the lemon in it. Can you scoop the rest?
Oh, yeah. Scoop. This I'm not going to taste because it's raw
Yeah.
potato. And then
Add another tablespoon of non-dairy milk.
if it's dry. Is it dry?
If the mixture is too stiff,
Is it dry? No, it's not. Is it stiff?
the flour can go now in. So it's
Yeah, like we've never been in the kitchen before.
0.6
We are actually
deciliters.
really skilled cooks.
Yes, believe it or not, we are. And a half teaspoon of baking powder is what just has been added to the mixture. And now you can see if it is too stodgy.
Yeah.
Do we need the milk?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's okay.
Okay. And that's going on a frying pan.
Yeah, that's the next step.
Yes. Yeah.
They are not pretty, but I hope they taste good.
Yeah. Sure they will. Oh, and we will, of course, link the recipe down in the description. They tend to stick. I think you need to leave them for longer so they don't fall apart.
Yeah, that looks really nice. Nice and crispy. Oh, oil.
Sagittarius in the kitchen.
I'm washing hands. And next step.
Next step is to make the avocado basil ranch.
So
And we have one hopefully ripe avocado. And adding 1 tablespoon fresh basil. Half teaspoon of garlic powder.
We are close enough.
More the better. And half teaspoon of ranch seasoning. Generous dash of black pepper. Uh, 2 teaspoons of lime juice. That's it.
Okay.
Water as needed.
Okay.
So I'm going to blend this and we're done.
Finally. Boxty is ready. Enjoy with Siamese and sparkling wine. Roll the bottle. Fuck.
All right.
Ching ching.
So, cilantro.
So yes. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. There's a cat hair in my
Surprising. Yes, you can't go wrong with potatoes, salt, and lots of fat.
an avocado, which is a fat.
Mhm.
Yeah. Maybe I would add some chili powder into the
Yeah,
avocado dressing.
It's very good.
Mm. Rosemary has been just drinking from my water glass.
We share everything with Simon.
Yes, absolutely.
Food, water, and life.
And the food is delicious.
Yes, it is.
I will definitely make it again. It's going to go into the Kitchen Witch Grimoire recipe book. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mä istun ihan täällä.